You have to be good at what you're doing, compassion. Put yourself in the place of their patients. Sabi nga, serbisyong may puso, compassion, and also trust because, they entrust their lives to you. You have to work really hard. You have to understand why you're doing this. Kasi otherwise, wala akong magiging kabuluhan. And you cannot excel unless you appreciate what you're doing. Pag ang ginagawa ninyo ay punong-puno kayo ng pasasalamat, hindi po may iwasan, gagaling po kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. At mararamdaman kayo ng mga tinutulungan ninyo at tatagal po kayo sa inyong ginagawa. Everyone here, stepping up to clinical setting, congratulations. And also sa mga magulang nandito, konti na lang. Konti na lang. Sana naman sa mga estudyante na appreciate yung magulang ninyo, no? Pag may isang tao na may magandang intensyon, hindi niyo po mapagdududahan ang inyong mga magulang.